So guys, I'm currently using the Sora AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use it for free, how you can use it without entering the code, and I'm also going to share with you a code which you can use to access the application. Okay, now I need to note that Sora is currently available in some countries, but in this video I'm going to show you a trick you use to access this application wherever you are. Currently I'm not in West, I'm currently in Africa, and I'm using this application for absolutely free. And in this video I'm going to show you how you too can use it without paying for anything and without necessarily buying any code or using any code. Now, as a bonus tip, I currently have 6 invites, and I can send this invite to you, or the invite code to you, and you're gonna have access to the application. Okay, now I need to note that at the end of this video I'm gonna give the invite code, and most or all of you will have access to the application. Okay, and just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can access this Sora 2 AI application without entering any invitation code. Okay, there is no money required, everything is totally free, no invitation code required, and you're going to access this application. Okay, so guys, in this part of the video I'm going to show you how you can access this Sora AI 2 for free without paying for anything, and probably without using any code. Okay, now as a bonus tip, as I told you at the end of this video, I'm going to share the invite code, and most of you access the application just in case this doesn't work for you. So in this part of the video we're going to show you the trick to access the application for free worldwide, and it's going to work almost for everybody. Okay, now in order to achieve this, there are 2 applications which we have to install. The first one is we have to make sure we get the Sora installed, and then the second one is a VPN service. Okay, so in order to access all these, we have to go over to App Store. Okay, now kindly note that the Sora 2 AI is available only on iPhones. Okay, it may not be available on Android as of the time I'm making this video. Okay, only iPhones. So we go over to App Store and search and install a VPN service or a VPN application. Okay, so the VPN I'm currently using is the VPN Superfast. Okay, this is not an advert, but I'm using the VPN Fast VPN Super TM. Okay, so you get this application installed and open it. Now the reason we are using this application is because the Sora AI is currently rolled out in some countries in the West, and in order for us to access the application we have to use a VPN service pointing to the West. So what we're going to do is open the application which you installed, go over to location and change the location. You have to select a country in the West. In our case we're going to use Canada. We're going to use the CA Vancouver. Okay, so we're going to use this location. So you go over to location and select CA Vancouver, and then you can put on the VPN service. As you can see, it takes some time to load, and then suddenly some ads are going to pop up which you have to watch in order to get the reward, because we are using everything for free, right? So we're going to watch these ads, and then we get, as you can see, connection is successful. That is, VPN is turned on. Okay, so currently our location is in Canada, and now we can access the Sora AI. So we go over to the AI, and we go over to the Sora AI which you already installed. Maybe I did not mention this part. You have to install the Sora AI itself. Okay, so once you go over to the Sora AI, what you have to do at this point is you have to select to continue with ChatGPT. Why this is important is because already ChatGPT verified who you are. ChatGPT already have your details, and Sora is from ChatGPT. It is from the OpenAI. So after clicking to continue with the ChatGPT, this application is the Sora AI is going to pull every single information you have on ChatGPT, and they're gonna send it to this application. So you, at this point, you literally do nothing. You do absolutely nothing at this point. You just click continue, and then the account opens for you. Okay, as you can see, it is open, and for the fact that you are using VPN service, the VPN may be intercepting with your location and your internet. At some point, it may be slow, but I need to know that if you give some few minutes, everything is going to load up. Just okay. Now, it is quite easy for you to use this application as you can see, these are some of the videos which are already created. And for you to create yours is quite easy. All you have to do is just click on plus. So when you click on that plus, you're gonna tell the Sora AI to do whatever you want it to do. Perhaps you could tell it make a video of cat sleeping, and they're gonna make a whole video which they will send to you, and it looks so real. Okay, the only problem you face here is that the watermark is always there, and of course probably in future paid versions are not going to have the watermark. Okay, and for the bonus tip, as I told you earlier, invitation codes are going to be shared on our Telegram channel, and on the description of this video on our Telegram channel, you're gonna find invitation codes which you can use to sign in. As you can see, we currently have a whooping 6 invites available, okay, which we can share to you, and then you get to access the application easily. Okay, and for now, this method I shared with you is gonna work for you for absolutely free. Okay.